Sucrose is formed when alpha glucose reacts reacts with beta fructose. And last but not least, lactose molecule is formed when alpha glucose reacts with galactose molecule. Both are hexose sugar. They always the reaction to make disaccharide is a condensation reaction. When two monosaccharides bond together by a condensation reaction. For the condensation reaction, we are revising a bit of our organic chemistry here too. What is the condensation reaction? Condensation reaction is a reaction that always produces a molecule of water. When two monosaccharides bond together by a condensation reaction, a disaccharide is formed. The first note is that a glycosidic bond are when one carbon is bonded to another oxygen and that they form a trio like this. This is a glycosidic bond or a glycosidic link. Its link is present. This is the link between sugar molecules that is formed by a condensation reaction. Similarly, what is a condensation reaction? We'll discuss it. A condensation reaction. A condensation reaction combines two molecules into a single molecule into a single molecule and releases a small water molecule. Let me give an example. The molecule A that has OH, it's reacting with a molecule B that has an H. Whenever they will react, molecule A will join with molecule B and they will release a molecule of, you guess it right, water. So this is the condensation reaction. So further, to sum up with this, I am going to write an explanation. Explanation. Two OH groups can react to form H2 molecule. Two H2O groups can react to form H2O molecule that will separate into that will separate and then what's left will be then the molecules with OH group will be linked with single oxygen atom, like carbon bonded to oxygen and the carbon. This is the bond that we are talking about. This is the bond. This is a glycosidic bond. So then we discussed about the condensation reaction. Now the reverse reaction is also possible. The reverse reaction is also possible, and the reverse reaction is that disaccharides can be broken down into monosaccharides by hydrolysis reaction. So what is a hydrolysis reaction? What is a hydrolysis reaction? Let me make another note for you to remember. A chemical reaction in which a chemical bond is broken by the addition of water. A chemical reaction in which a chemical bond is broken by the addition of water is known as hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. Okay. So I know without an example, our learning is obsolete. So the reverse is also possible. It's like we have two molecules. Let's suppose this is a fructose that is bonded to two fructose are bonded, and then we add a molecule of H2O. What does it do? It will attack the molecule here, and it will break down bonds into separate fructose. So this is our explanation of a hydrolysis reaction. So now a disaccharide, we are finished with the topic of disaccharide, and then we'll continue with the topic of polysaccharides to finish our topic of carbohydrates.